Zeba, do I look fine? I'm priority.
Do I look fine?
Your hair doesn't move. Does my hair look fine? Do I look oily?
No.
Okay.
Yes, you look oily. See, yeah, it looks oily.
As Jigsaw!
Go,
Is
go,
it
go.
more likely or most likely?
Who's more likely? Because it's between two people.
Okay.
If it was more than two, then what?
How
You don't know how to speak English. This is an English lesson for you.
Okay, so Zeba has a set of questions. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is one of the most requested videos on Instagram. Most of you asked me a lot of questions for Jake and I. So I have finally got Jake here. He has such a busy schedule, as you all know. So he finally made time for me for my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So Zeba is right here behind the camera. So Zeba has a set of questions for us. She's gonna ask who's most likely to
Who's
questions.
more likely? I just told you.
So she's gonna ask us who is more likely to questions. And we have this paper. Guys, I'm sorry if I keep itching my nose. I just did an extraction video for the gunk that lives in my nose and it's a bit
Ew.
itchy right now. So this paper has Jake and it has Naomi, and whatever questions Zeba asks us, we're just gonna flag the same. Let's begin.
Don't look at his answer. Answer yourself.
You don't look at my answer, you're a cheater cop.
Who is more likely to trip on a flat surface? You know, if you guys have stories, you can say that. Instead of-
There's no story.
There's no story. She's just clumsy.
Who is more likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Oh.
To laugh at the wrong moment. Yeah, maybe.
Really?
I've done that a couple of times.
He's done that so many times.
That's-
It's like when we're having serious
That's because
conversations,
people
even.
take things too seriously.
What do you mean? If you're having a serious conversation, he just bursts out laughing. Like,
No, I don't burst out laughing. It depends what's being said.
I can't even give examples
We can't
because
give examples.
because they're so private.
Who is a better secret keeper? Oh, wow.
Hey, bullshit! You suck at keeping secrets.
No.
Dude, this is bullshit. First of all,
No, I'm good at
Shut up,
keeping
you
secrets.
suck at keeping
no,
secrets.
I'm really good at keeping secrets. I just don't
No.
keep secrets with you.
Yeah, bullshit.
I just
She
don't keep
sucks
secrets.
at keeping secrets.
I just don't keep secrets with you. Like if I come to know anything, I immediately call you up and go like, oh my god, Jake, did you know this?
Exactly, you suck at keeping a secret. Do you know how many secrets I keep?
No. Jake, you said you tell me everything.
I'm very bad at keeping secrets.
But you said you tell me everything.
Yeah, I do. I tell you everything.
You're the one who actually, like, for example, if I'm speaking to Naga or something, like, you'll just be like,
I heard this. What?
Who is more likely to shop for unnecessary stuff?
Obviously. Have you seen all the pink shit that you bought?
wait, what's the most stupid thing that you think I've bought?
When you got that pink whisker and all that bullshit, you haven't even used that even once.
I got an Amazon order and I am so excited to show you what I got! Oh my goodness! It's pink! It's a pink whisk! Oh my goodness, I am so happy!
I use the pink spatula. The whisker, that's for our house.
Okay,
Is it a
cool.
whisk?
Whatever it is.
Yeah, the whisk.
Like a cat.
I don't know.
You
All the,
made a
that kitchen equipment that I have no clue
You made
about.
an English mistake.
It's not an English mistake.
Who farts more loudly?
Who what?
Farts more loudly. I
Who
think
has the
that's.
louder fart?
You fart louder. Maybe I fart more, but you fart louder.
Actually, yeah. yeah. Mine is louder and
Yes.
his are more
Frequent.
and
Yes.
stinkier.
Who is more likely to kill someone?
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I think she can actually be capable of killing. I'm not joking. It's not funny.
Mom, who's most likely to kill someone, Jake or me?
You.
See, I told you.
Who is more likely to be a stand-up comedian?
Obviously
Stand-up
me.
comedian.
Obviously me. Yeah, I'm far more funnier than you are.
No, you're not. You're just.
You literally put my name
You're
up.
just willing to make a fool of yourself on stage. So that's what you need to be. That's what you need to do to be a stand-up comedian.
What? Make a fool of myself?
Yeah.
No, I can make a fool of other people as well. I'm a comedian.
Who is more likely to lose their stuff?
To lose
Oh my
yourself.
god, 100%.
Hey, what shit?
100%.
I don't lose anything. This is bullshit. What have I ever lost?
Jake, please, you are most likely to lose. She said, what are you? Who is most likely to lose?
More. You are more likely.
No, you are more
because
likely.
you're clumsy, you're also more likely to lose things.
How is falling equal to losing things?
Yeah, clumsy meaning you leave something.
I have more items in my house. Let's just put it that
Whatever.
way, okay?
Whatever.
And still, I'm so safe and cautious.
Okay,
But
cool.
you will lose anything and everything.
No.
You lose your keys so many times.
Shut up, I've never lost my keys.
You lose your keys in my house so
Yeah,
many
yeah,
times.
sure.
You know, when you leave my room and you suddenly go,
Where are my keys? No, that's because you steal them to make me stay.
Who is more likely to die of something stupid?
why are all these questions me? Why? Why?
Who is more likely to not shower for a week? Have you
Hey,
done it?
look.
Why was it so quick?
I have gone to university.
How is that
Outs-
an excuse?
I lived in a hostel. You
How
stay
is
at
that
home.
an excuse?
It's not an excuse, but it's very common.
Who is more likely to have gunk in their nose?
For sure. Talking about interior.
You're talking about interior gunk,
Yes,
huh?
interior.
Oh, actually, yeah. Like whenever he meets me, because he's so tall.
Because you don't clean your nose.
No, because you're so tall. When I'm looking at you like that, and I go like, "Hi, boo boo," he goes like,
Ew, your nose. That's because
like
you never
instead of saying hi,
Wait,
giving me
when
a
you
kiss.
wake up in the morning, do you like just clean your face, clean your nose? Yeah, see? That's what you're supposed to do when you wake up. You wash.
I
you
do, but why?
You clean your nose also at that time.
Why do you clean your nose?
Because you're cleaning your, your eyes have gunk, right? When you, the sleepy shit. Clean your nose also, you clean your mouth.
I
Everything you
never clean my nose.
See? That's why it's full of shit. Like,
I
you
can't
clean
do
it.
that. I can't make my nose wet. I don't like it.
When you wash your face, it anyway gets wet.
So you wash like this too.
Just not inside my holes.
Who is more likely to work too much?
I don't know. I feel like.
Actually, that's a very trick question now.
I
came up with this
think
question
nowadays for
specifically.
sure me. If
But-
we're talking about present times,
Present tense is Jake. That's not how the game works. Present tense is Jake, but a majority is me. You only started working a lot now. I have been working a lot. I came out of my mom's womb and I started working.
yeah, we knew how much you work in school.
Like majority is me.
No, majority is me. If you look-
Majority is me.
Majority is me.
No, majority is me.
Who is more likely to be a terrible detective?
A terrible detective. Yeah, Naomi, she sucks at self-awareness. And dude, stop putting wrong answers.
That's not how it works.
You are the shitty detective.
Jake is a terrible detective. When he tries to like research something or detect something, he'll either just be lost in the English, or he'll be like, "Oh, this
Do you
is
know
wrong."
what a detective does?
Yeah, like obviously sometimes you need to read stuff, right? Or you need to speak to
You
people.
need to-
You'll always find mistakes in
Yeah,
everything.
exactly. You need to speak to people.
So before
Who's
proceeding,
better at doing that?
But
Me.
before proceeding to the next person, you'll be like, "Hey, learn English first, please." That is what you will do.
Yeah,
And
true,
also,
true.
you let emotions come in.
That's you! Oh my gosh, what shit!
No, you
if
let
you're gonna
emotions-
if you're gonna do this video like this, there's no point continuing.
I
You
am-
can't detect for shit.
Who can read people better? How many friends
I
of yours
can-
have I proved that this is a bad friend?
What bullshit? You haven't
I
proved crap.
I can read people much better than you as well. And you know what? Those are attributes
Look, forget
of a
it.
detective.
Forget it.
Who is more likely to forget to brush their teeth?
Forget to brush their teeth. I always brush my teeth though. I don't know. Fine, I'll give it to you.
Oh, you'll give it to me. This is a fact. Okay?
Bullshit.
You will
What
wake up and you will just forget to brush your teeth.
No, I always brush my teeth. I just take time to get up, brush my teeth. That's it.
Yeah, but sometimes you're lazing around so much that I go like, Jake, you need to brush your teeth.
Yeah, that's because I'm not out of bed yet.
Because you stinky. Of course we can. Of course we can. Anyway, Jake forgets to brush his teeth.
No, shut up.
No, Jake does.
Who is more likely to fart in public and pretend it wasn't them?
For sure, that's what she does.
For sure.
Hey, dude, I don't pretend. I accept that I farted. You're a liar.
Dude.
You're playing the game wrong.
Dude, like you would, if we are in a mall, you would fart next to me and run the opposite direction.
No, I
so people
wouldn't.
think it's
First of all, I
me.
don't fart in the mall. And second of all, you fart.
liar.
You fart and then you
Oh
tell me.
Let's go away.
That's what you do. I never did
Yeah,
that once.
but I don't pretend to.
That's
have
not
done it.
pretending.
But you would pretend.
No, I don't.
No, you would.
Who is more likely to go on a hunger strike?
Hunger strike. Maybe me. She could never do a hunger strike.
Me.
Huh? You can never do a hunger strike.
Of course
Dude,
you can.
you can't even control when you see one cookie over there. What hunger strike you'll do? At least tell the truth in these things. You're such a liar.
No, who's more to go on a hunger strike? Like
Me.
usually I do a lot of detoxes and try a lot of
All
diets.
these detoxes don't involve not eating.
When was your last detox? In the 2 years I've known you,
I think-
Bullshit. She cannot do hunger
Dude,
strike.
remember 2 days I did detox with Mithun?
Dude, please.
She gave me just juices, but I gave up after 2 days.
Yeah, sure.
But I have at least done a detox. Have you ever done a detox?
Dude, I don't eat for so many hours. I literally.
Detox. Forget our day. Around 5-6 years ago, you can ask my mom for validation. I did not eat at all for 5 days.
What shit?
I only had-
Even you won't
I
believe
only
that.
had-
What shit? That's such crap.
No.
Why? Okay, so
To lose weight, so I only
You
had
didn't eat
like
anything for 5
nothing.
5 days.
Nothing. I only drank
Smoothies.
water. No, water and lime.
Dude, that's
You had water and
bullshit.
lime
For
for
5
5
days.
Yes.
Dude, she's.
4-5 days, yes.
Now you guys know that the whole video she's been bullshitting the full time.
I don't think 5 days is humanly possible.
Yeah,
No.
Or at least
She's
not
bullshitting.
diluted.
There are water diets where you just don't eat.
you need food. If not food, you need like a smoothie or something.
Too bad, honey. I actually did not eat anything.
Were you on like supplements or something?
No,
Nothing at all apart from
no,
water and lime.
no. Just
For
aloe
5
vera
days.
juice.
But before you said only now, lime.
Yeah, now
No,
you added aloe
I
vera.
forgot.
See, she's full of crap. She forgets everything.
No, I forgot. It was an aloe vera
Now you
diet.
forget you had 2 meals in those 5 days. Oh yeah, I forgot I ate chicken.
Who is more likely to eat a month's supply of snacks in one day?
She's done it. Who's more likely?
I don't want to answer. Pass.
Who is more likely to break up over a grammatical error?
What a grammatical error. I would never do that. I would never break
It's-
up over.
it's-
You've made millions of grammatical errors. I would have broken up with you ages ago.
It's more likely.
So that's-
It's more likely.
Oh, even I can pass. Like how you pass.
Who is more likely to go grocery shopping for one thing and come back with everything other than that one thing?
Oh my god.
Who is more likely to go on a reality show?
Stop yawning, Jake.
These questions are not scandalous enough.
Okay, but give me suggestions and I'll ask you.
Who's most likely to
More likely.
choose their best friends over their partner? Scandalous 101.
Who's more likely to choose their best friend over there? What does that mean? In what context?
Like, for example, if your best friend is saying something and your partner is saying something, who will you believe?
What a loser. Shut up. It depends on the context.
The context is the argument we had recently.
up.
That is the context.
Who's more likely to get rich?
Wow. Shameless.
Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Obviously, Jake lied in so many answers. So it's fine, it's okay. He's actually a really nice guy in real. Okay, bye.
Is that it?
What?
That's the worst ending.
That's so bad.
Okay, you conclude, no?
Conclude. I would just say, cool, thanks guys. See you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
He said it!